Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ketenat jengok kai pertai kejela sasisin menta kala penbenapat ba pakan sa Pynlong ya ka Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival kaban sa sedang naduk ke khatnyo tarik unai weng bat an sa penkot pat ha ka khat khandai tarik jong ujo ubnai kaban sa long hamadan kurkalang Bhoi District Sports Association Sports Complex Bhoi Rymbong Bhoi District. Haba keren cikilat patai khubor ke sengi thoding menteri ketenat jengok kai pertai uba Paul Lingdo uliat ho baka sarkar jela kala bei tingka kumba shiklor khandai po khandai lak naga benta bat Pynlong ya kata Tamasa kabaka jinglut barok kalong kumba khandai Klur. Ha kata Tamasa Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival an sadon ki nongrwai ba paunam jong ke pertai ki ba kinthum ya Neo, Ronan Keating, Sanam, Jonas Blue, Pink Panda, bat kiwai. Shisho hakate ka sngi kin sadon ru ki nongrwai bat kikinhon nongrwai ba paunam jong ka jila ki ba kinthum ya ka Meba Ophelia, uba Lumajao, Blue Temptation, Daminot, Rehem, Dalariti, One Job Chocolate, bat kiwai di kikinhon rwai na ki jila jong ka than sa lam mi jong ka ri. Hakate ka Tamasa kan sa donru ka Miss but Mr. Cherry Blossom Pageant, ka cosplay competition, ka choir contest, but ka karaoke contest, nang ta ka singing contest, but kiway ki jingele kai.
To ka Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, ka badai ka festival ka bahe do jong ka state ka jongi, kan long mentah kesenyam lagi tarik kat nyau haduk kat kandai jong November mentah kesenyam but kejaka ke kanlong kemadan Bhoi Rymbong kurkalang ground jong ke RBDSA de ni kemik lenti ba ginyo kumba live ho hajar ngut ki padba ki ban shimbanta ha ki shiman kasngi jong ke ini ki lai sngi but kumba ngila I na ki stam ki bladap kandai po percent na ki nong wan chekini ke festival ki dai ki tourist ka bamut pa kan manra ya ka jimendoi ya ka tourism industry ha ka state kindon ki jakasa ki nak benta ki niki nong jengok kai syakini ke jela but kani kan yarap pan pentiu ya ke yok kokot jong om tanggat hida district hendai keleng di jaka thuk ru ya ke Shillong ha ba ki niki performers kin sa ti ka state government ke sarkar jela ka lebih tinggal syukur kendai lak nak minta kani ka festival ka ba ka jinglut baro kalong kumba kendai Klur de ni kmi lentiru ba kini ki daka wangi wanra ye kini ki artist ki ba la bet ba kum uni nio ba ada Grammy Award winner ba unong tho jingrai nang ta Ronan Keating kena group ke mana Sanam Jonas Blue kini baru kin yo langhe keju ke platform bat ki local artist ki jongi ki group ki jongi bat kene kan yarap am tang ba kan long ka exposure na benta jongki ndrai kan yarap ru ba kinyo ai ka promotion ndaki yo banyak du ikini ki international artist but baki nyo jakaru haki platform ki bakam he chabar jongka Meghalaya ti ka jing yo jumento jongka state ka longru hakani ka festival ba kan longkum ka brand ka ban yarap ba kiwe ki nongjmo kai hapathai kin tip chapam ka Shillong lengba gani ka Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. Di kata dari lengkot ke dalam share bapi.
What is the reason for shifting the venue to Bhoi? Because in Shillong it was so long hold in Shillong. What is the reason, sir?
Well, one major consideration is the fact that we would like to minimize the inconvenience to Shillong. As you understand, the traffic situation is really bad, and we have a venue that could accommodate the largest number of people, this Korkalang ground, and also the local economy in and around the venue will benefit because a number of homestays and resorts and even paying guests will get direct benefit throughout their stay in the 3 days, and some might even extend beyond the 3 days.
When coming to Shillong, because this we are talking about cherry blossom festival, but we have seen that Shillong is full of cherry blossom trees during that period of time. So in Rybong, where this location will be held, whether there will be such kind of ambience for this festival.
Which is why we call it Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, because we would like those visitors to not just be part of the show, the 3-day show, but that they would also spend time to travel to Shillong and beyond. Maybe go to Sora, maybe go to Dauki as well.
So, as part of the festival, whether are you organizing any event here in Shillong, Dauki or Sora?
Yeah, the Lit Fest will be organized as part of it.
That is the core of Cherry Blossom Festival. So
That will be here in Shillong.
And if you can just name one or two popular brand that is coming and will be playing in this cherry
Yeah, I can share this with you, but as I revealed just now, Neo, for instance, is an international act. He's a Grammy Award winner, singer-songwriter, and so he's a well-known name. Ronan Keating has been performing for years, and he's also a household name here in Meghalaya. Jonas Blue is a well-known artist, and Sanam, of course, you might know better.
Sanam is like the latest Indian heartthrob in like popular music.
Habede berki lokal deh, kanu try ki ban perform bagai ni ke.
Gila, Bon Mabi,
Local artist Kiran Santho.
Sanam.
50 artists
50.
will be playing there in Rybong.
And we're calling now.
Sir, since the time of announcement of Cherry Blossom, how the ticket sale going on? Like, have you sold out? What's the situation? Are you seeing that, it'll be a good response, or how do you see this year? Because last year, due to Mukro incident, it was cancelled.
Yes. We already have sold about 2,000 early bird tickets, right?
1,000 plus.
Yeah.
Kanu ke tiket?
Ticket
Tickets now are
rates.
1,200 for day 1, 1,400 for day 2, and 1,600 for day 3. They have been priced according to the pricing of the artists, the cost of the artists that are performing at the festival.
Yakini ki kita ki ba mention ni ba ni kanu ke tiket kita ba. Tu Ronan Keating.
Kini pindapat mila ay ganita line up day wise. Hakan day 1. Hakan day 1 hangni pindapat ya. Kita kini Sanam hybrid theory. Sel na Korea, kini hybrid theory po Portugal. So hakan day 1 Kraspa. Hakan day 2 ngidon artists bahetam. Number 1 artist in the world right now, Neo. So for day 2 kada kat South Spa. Hakan day 3 pada ngibo artist artist ki bahaya ha. Ngidon Keating or Jonas Blue. Day 3 kan dekan Spa.
The state targeting means how many thousand tourists the state targeting?
We expect about 30,000 visitors per day. So multiply that by 3, and some might overstay, say for a week or so, and therefore it will be roughly about 1 lakh plus.
Sir, coming to the other side of it, the trees, cherry blossom trees. Earlier we understand there was an effort from the government to plant more that stretched from Omiam to Shillong and all of that. So have we, over the years, have we embarked on such more things or plan more?
The effort of the government is certainly to encourage more plantation, and this time around we expect to see more such blossoms.
So any program, any particular program, anything that
This is an ongoing effort of the government to encourage not just individuals but also groups and societies to grow more. cherry blossoms.
Because in our interaction with the public and all, it was felt wanting. I mean, more such trees and all of that, so that
The more the merrier.
yes, the localities and all can participate and all of that.
Right. As a run up to the event, we will certainly be encouraging more plantation this lifetime. Yeah.
Paul, during last year's festival, we saw that there was this incident where tear gas was lobbed at people. There was an incident. So how will you ensure that these kind of incidents don't happen?
Well, we learn from past mistakes, and certainly this time around the venue is very wide. It can cater to roughly 60,000 persons on any given day. And also we have the support of the entire government machinery, the local darbars, and then the NGOs. So we do not anticipate or foresee any such problems.